Welcome back guys to this JP Morgan Chase virtual internship. Okay, so if you have not completed the task 1, then go through the first video. So today we are going to see this second task. Okay, use JP Morgan Chase frameworks and tools. Okay, so in this task, first of all we have to set up the tool. Okay, so we have to do the things in our local machine. Okay, so for that, first of all you have to install the git. Okay, so there is the command sudo apt get install. Okay, install git. Okay, so first of all git install करके लो. If you are using Windows, then check about the Windows how to install the git. Okay, so here git वर्जन कैसे चेक करते हैं या आई माइनस वर्जन क्या या we have installed the git. Okay, so after that, this is the first. So after installing git, you have to install the node.js and npm. Okay, so for that you will check, I will give a link of video, you can check that. Okay, so अगर आपके पास पहले से ही कौन सा एंगुलर का फ्रेमवर्क एंगुलर इंस्टॉल है या रिएक्ट इंस्टॉल है, तो आपको फिर से करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज npm इज़ ऑलवेज देयर इन एंड आई थिंक in angular also, in react also. Okay, so first of all you have to install the node.js and npm. Okay, so node --v, we will check the version, I think only -v. Yeah, so this is my node version and npm -v. I think ये क्या हो रहा है यार. Yeah, this is the npm's version. npm means node package manager. Okay, so next we have to clone the repository of the git. Okay, so here is a repository of this inside Shepa JP Morgan take task 2. Okay, so we will copy this to our terminal. Okay, so then it will download this folder in our task. Okay, so I have to do all the things in my desktop. Okay, so now I will paste that thing. Okay, so now it is downloading the JP Morgan's task. Okay, it already downloaded. Okay, तो download हो गया. So this is our task 2 Python 3. Okay, I will open this with our Visual Studio. Okay, so okay, open होने में टाइम लेगा ज़रा ये. So it is taking some time. So here is the data feed. Okay, this is the first folder and this is the public src. Okay, I think this is a react application. Yeah, react application. Okay, so first of all we have to start the server. This is the server which generates the data, means stock का data ही generate कर रहे हैं वो server के through. Okay, so first of all we have to start this server. Okay, so go to the data feed cd. I think data feed का क्या नाम है, data feed ही है ना, cd JP Morgan में जाना पड़ेगा अपन को. JP Morgan task 2, then we have to go data feed. Okay, then we have to run the server.py python 3 server.py server3.py. Okay, तो ये रन होने के बाद इसके बाद generate csv no data found. Okay, why it is giving error here? So guys, it was giving error because we have to run in this type. Okay, so from JP Morgan's folder we have to run like python 3 data feed folder. Okay, data feed folder and server3.py. okay, so from outside we have to run this program. Okay, means outside of the data feed folder. Okay, so now data is generating, means server is on. Okay, so open the new window. Okay, so then go again to the folder cd desktop. Okay, then JP Morgan's. Okay, now we have to start our npm. Okay, so if you go directly start and npm start, right, it will give an error because there are no modules in your folder. Okay, so it will give like this error. So here we have to first of all install the node modules npm install. Okay, so it will take a time. Okay, so जो भी इसके डिपेंडेंसीज है इस एसआरसी में, जो जो उन्होंने कोड लिखा है, ओके, तो कौन से एस जे एस में जाएंगे. सो दिस इज import react dom. So to import all these things here, a new folder will be created. Okay, so after installing this, okay, so first of all we have to install these all modules. Okay, then we have to start npm start. Okay, then our react application will go and run. Okay, so it will take some time. Okay, so then just check what I means मैं कौन से changes करता हूँ. Look at that. And okay, so the task is that we have to do our data, means हमारा जो data generate हो रहा है उसको हमें इस graph के format में लाना है. Okay, so this is the task. So first of all run होने दो. Okay, npm start करेंगे. Okay, so after that npm install means our installation is complete. Then here a new file will be created, node modules. Okay, these are the dependencies, means जो भी ये import कर रहे हैं हम वो इससे import कर रहे हैं node module से. Okay, जिनको भी एंगुलर या रिएक्ट मालूम है उनको पता चलेगा. ओके, सो नाउ वी कैन स्टार्ट आवर प्रोजेक्ट npm स्टार्ट. ओके, सो npm स्टार्ट होने के बाद हम डायरेक्टली ब्राउज़र पर शिफ्ट होंगे. ओके, या होगा रिएक्ट है मतलब हो जाएगा. ओके, सो देन वी विल सी इन आवर ब्राउज़र हाउ डाटा इज़ वर्किंग. ओके, सो हियर our page is loading, web page is loading, and check this also. Okay, this second server. Okay, so this second server is generating the query जो हमने पहले server 3 चालू किया था. Okay, if you start streaming data then the request has gone here. Okay, तो request इधर जाएगा and the data is returned from this server 3.py. Okay, so like that. So अभी हमें बनाना क्या है. So we want to do in this form. So we have to create a graph like these intervals. Okay, using intervals when we stream the data it will generate a graph. Okay, so for that you have to make some changes. Okay, go to the app.tsx. Okay, so first of all we have to add the intervals. So just check the changes what I do. So first of all we have to create a show graph object. Okay, because we want to show the graph, that's why we are creating this show graph variable in the interface of iState. Okay, so this is the first change. After that, okay, after that go here in this state position. Okay, here you have to also set show, means initialize कर देना है आपको show graph is equal to false. Okay, so this is the second change. Why it is giving error? Why? Okay, so here we have to change in this render graph. Okay, if this dot state dot show graph. Okay, so if it is true then we are returning, means we are returning the graph data. Okay, so these are the changes in app.tsx. Okay, I think there is one more change, but why this is giving error here? So I think here not is equal to we have to add here. Okay, so here it is semicolon. Okay, so these are the changes. Here we are showing our graph, and we have to change also this function, I think, get data from. So this is the thing, this is the file that I will give in the link. Okay, so here we have to change in the function app.extends render graph. Okay, we changed this. Now we have to change get data from server. Okay, so just copy these plus things. Okay, so just copy these plus things, control C, and okay, where is our get data from server function? and paste here, control V. Yeah, but why it is giving error? Okay, I think these all, okay, these all plus we have to delete. Okay, so control D, control D, control D, control D, control D, control D. Okay, sorry, here X plus plus is also going here. Okay, like this I will take control C, control D. Now I will delete all these plus. Okay, so just copy and paste. Okay, why it is giving again error here? No, not giving. Okay, so that is the thing. These are the changes in app.tsx. Okay, then go to the file again. So we have to change now graph.tsx. Okay, go to the graph.tsx. Now see what we have to change. Okay, so in graph.tsx interface pops. Okay, so we have to change here, means minus means delete this row and we have to add this thing. Okay, so I will just copy this plus signs thing. Okay, control C, and where is our prospective element is na, prospective viewer element. Yeah, prospective viewer element, and I will paste here. Okay, so then again next thing which is we have to change compute did amount. Okay, so just add this last वाला thing, constant element, and remove that constant element. पहले से जो constant element है उसको remove करना है और इसको add करना है. Okay, where is our component d mount? Okay, so I will remove this and paste our new thing. Okay, so after that what we have to change? So schema here we don't have to change anything. Then if window perspective, okay, so we have to delete that worker thing. Where is our worker? Okay, so just delete this worker function. Okay, so ये वाला भी thing हो गया. After that if this table, okay, then we have to add these all elements. जो भी attributes हमें add करने हैं, element dot set attribute, तो उसको add करना है. कंट्रोल C, कौन से वाले फंक्शन में ऐड करना है? if this dot table में. ओके, so I will paste all the things here. Now I have to delete that plus वाला thing also. Okay, control D, control D, control D, and this is delete. Okay, so go to the npm, मीन्स जिसमें हमने npm स्टार्ट किया था उधर फिर से अपन npm चालू करेंगे, npm start वाला function, and we will check that the graph is working or not. Okay, it should work fine, मीन्स चेंजेस तो हमने देख के किए यार. So I will delete this wala thing. It will load another. Yeah, it should load. It is taking time. Yeah. So भाई हो ना load. I think charging कितना बचा? 4% यार. So why it is taking? Yeah. Now it starting the development server. Come fast, bro. Da-na-na-na-na. Okay, yeah, it is loading. After this we have to create a patch file and submit that patch file to the JP Morgan's task 2. Okay, so why it is taking so much time? Yeah, it is taking so much time. Yeah, yeah, localhost 3,000. Yeah. Okay, so now just click this start streaming data. Okay, it is working or not? Yeah, it is generating the data. Just check that. When I click, the new data will generate here and it will create the graph. Okay, so so it is working fine. Now we are ready to create a patch file and we will submit that patch file. Okay, just now stop this server. Okay, control C. Okay, now we have to create the patch file. First of all, for that, git init. Okay, git init karo, git init. Okay, I think spelling mistake, git init. Yeah, so after that, git add -a, and I have to configure my email ID, git config user dot email. Okay, so Vaibhav Gopanpalli 18 at gmail.com. Okay, I think here I will need some typing. Okay, config, भाई टाइपिंग सीख लेना पड़ेगा. Config. Okay, so now we have to configure our name. So configure your name. भाई सच में टाइपिंग सीखना पड़ेगा यार. So after that you have to create a patch file. Okay, so just copy this, git commit, control C, control shift V. Okay, yeah, now we have to format the patch one, control C, control shift V. So 0011 create patch file. Okay, so तो patch file create होगा I think. JP Morgan किधर गया अपना JP Morgan वाला डास. Okay, so where is our patch file? Yeah, this is our patch file that we have to submit in the JP Morgans. Okay, so we will go here. Where is our JP Morgans? Click here to submit the work. Okay, so upload a patch file, JP Morgan, create a patch file. Okay, now we are uploading the patch file and after that we have to submit the code. Okay, so just do this task. Now we will see for the task 3. Okay, mark as complete and submit. Okay.